That's Ace. He didn't know if you're a bad guy. Ace did it on accident. Ace is driving, but somebody's shooting it at you. Now look. They're looking at you. What's their name?
What?
What's their name?
I don't know.
Jacob?
Yeah.
But what are you a good guy or a bad guy?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Well, you better not get cold for Christmas. It's almost springtime. That's why I fly my ship outside. But this time I'm not flying outside. I fly it inside. And I'm going bye-bye. Okay, here we go. I need my other ship.
Oh, Ronan, look. Your shirt.
Shirt? Whose shirt is that?
Yours. You left it at